Good morning. We've just bought this PW Yamaha 50 for 500 bucks off Marketplace. Let's have a look around. Missing the oil reservoir to mix in with the fuel. That's alright. What a bargain. Let's get these plastics off and see how it looks underneath. As you can see, she's looking pretty straight. Bit dirty. He approves. Tank's lost its colour, something happened there. It's just covered in oil, really. The rims have got speckles of rust, which is not too bad. We'll scrub them up and paint them. Let's see if she'll start. As you can hear, there's a little bit of a rattle coming from the engine, but we'll look into that. Runs like a dream. What we'll do next is we'll get some degreaser. I think we'll degrease this whole bike almost. It's not too bad. Typical for anything that you have two-stroke oil in. Ends up covered in it. Sally's engine degreaser. That's about it by the looks of it. It's probably going to kill my lawn too.